Many iPhone users are complaining about camera problems on it, like it has gone completely black, it is not capturing the photo or video, not zooming properly, etc. If you are one of them, keep following this video. Here we will show you how you can fix camera problems on iPhone 11. Before we start, make sure the protective case is not blocking the camera by adding an extra layer of protection. And also make sure the lenses are actually clean. If you have already done that, let's check out the ways you can fix the camera issues. Often the software problems cause the issue, and Apple keeps fixing remaining bugs with every update. So make sure your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. One of the best ways to fix minor software glitches on iPhone is doing a soft restart. Quickly press and release the volume up key, then volume down key. Now press and hold the side key until you see the Apple logo. As you know, in iPhone 11, if you don't close the app properly, it will keep running in the background. So if the camera has been open for a long time, it could cause problems. You can force close it, then reopen it. Customized settings could cause the problem, so to fix it, you can do a all settings reset. Open settings. Go to General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode. Tap Reset all settings. Again tap Reset all settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and it will go back to its factory default settings. It will only erase customized settings and no personal data or contents. If nothing else works, to rule out any software issues causing the problem, you have to back up all your important data and contents and do a hard reset. We have a detailed video about how you can do it. We will leave the link in the description. You can check it out. These are the ways you can fix camera issues on iPhone 11. If they don't fix it, it could be a hardware problem. In that case, you have to take it to Apple Support Center. That's it for now. We hope you liked the video. You can check out our iPhone 11 playlist for more videos about it. Keep following Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.